Welcome to SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, Department of Applied Science, online lecture series on course Engineering Physics, Unit 5, Magnetism and Superconductivity. In previous video, we have already seen origin of magnetisms. Today we will discuss about basic terms and definitions in magnetism, which contain, we will see in this video, magnetic flux, magnetic dipole moment, magnetic field strength, magnetization, magnetic susceptibility, magnetic induction, relation between magnetic induction and magnetic field strength, about permeability, absolute permeability, relative permeability, relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility, and Bohr magnetism. Then we will see one by one. And first, magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is denoted as phi. So what is the definition of magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is a measurement of the total magnetic field which passes through a given area. It is also defined as the number of lines of a magnetic induction passing through unit cross section area. The measure in unit is Tesla or Weber. Therefore, magnetic induction is equal to the normal flux upon cross section area. Second, magnetic dipole moment. It is defined as the maximum amount of torque caused by magnetic force on dipole that arises per unit value of surrounding magnetic field in vacuum. Magnetic moment is denoted as mu. Then tau magnetic is equal to magnetic dipole moment into B. The unit of dipole moment is ampere square meter. Magnetic dipole moment is equal to current into area. Let's see. Third, magnetic field strength. The strength or intensity of a magnetic field at any point in magnetic field is force experienced by a unit north pole placed at that point. The unit of magnetic field strength is ampere turns per meter in SI system. Next, magnetization. It is defined as magnetic moment per unit volume and denoted by M. What is the definition of magnetization? It is the ratio of magnetic moment upon volume. The unit of magnetization in SI system is amperes per meter. As the magnetization is induced by magnetic field, M is proportional to H. Thus, magnetization is directly proportional to H, then psi H, where psi is called magnetic susceptibility. Next, magnetic susceptibility. It is defined as the ratio of intensity of a magnetization produces in the substance to magnetic field. Magnetization produced in the material per unit applied magnetic field. Hence, magnetic susceptibility is denoted as psi. This symbol is psi is equal to magnetization upon applied magnetic field. Magnetic induction or magnetic flux density is denoted as B. Magnetic induction is the number of lines of force through a unit area of a perpendicular cross section. Thus, magnetic induction is denoted as B phi upon A. The SI unit of magnetic induction is Weber per square meter and CGS unit is Telsa. Then 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 Telsa. Relation between and the magnetic induction B produces inside the material is given by is equal to B is equal to mu 0 H upon M, and mu 0 is the permeability, and B is equal to mu 0 1 plus H upon M into H, or B is equal to mu 0 1 plus psi upon H. H we know very well, H upon M is psi, then 1 plus psi into H. It is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Absolute permeability. The absolute permeability of the material is measure of the degree of which the field lines penetrate the material. It is also defined as the ratio of a magnetic induction B in the medium to the magnetizing field. Thus, magnetic absolute is equal to, or absolute permeability mu A is equal to B upon H. The unit of absolute permeability is Henry per meter. Next term, relative permeability. The relative permeability of a material is defined as the ratio of absolute permeability of the material to the permeability of free space. Relative permeability is denoted as mu suffix R is equal to absolute permeability upon mu 0. Mu R is only a number and has no units. Relative permeability has no units. Its value for air or vacuum is 1. Next, relation between mu R and psi. The magnetic induction B, we know very well equation. The magnetic induction B is equal to mu 1 plus psi into H. Therefore, mu is equal to mu R plus H. Then mu A is equal to mu 0 1 plus psi, as mu R is equal to mu A upon mu 0, and mu R is equal to 1 plus psi. Last, Bohr magneton. Bohr magneton is the natural unit for expressing the magnetic moment of an electron caused by either its orbital or spin angular momentum. It has value mu B, means Bohr magneton is equal to E upon H, E into H upon 4 pi m. We know very well E is elementary charge, H is Planck constant, 4 value of pi is 14 upon 7, 22 upon 7, m is the mass, electron raised mass. Then all value of constant, then Bohr magneton is equal to 9.28 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere meter square. This value is constant. Bohr magneton value is 9.28 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere meter square. So student, I hope you have understood these basic terms and definition. Thank you.